Okay, can I have a volunteer read to us about accents in the next blue box? Okay, Sam, read to us nice and loud, please.
An accent indicates to emphasize a note by playing louder. Use your air.
Good, everybody say accent.
Accent.
Okay, good. Take your pencil and right there in the blue box, I want you to underline the word emphasize. Underline the word emphasize, because that's our key word. That is what an accent is. An accent emphasizes a note. Okay, up here on my whiteboard, we've got the word accent, and I've drawn an accent for you. It looks like this sort of V that's turned sideways. And if you look in your music, either up here or in your book, you're going to see that it appears right below a note head if the note stem goes up. And if the note stem goes down, it appears right above a note head. But it's right there next to the note head. And it indicates that that note gets more emphasis. And so that's our goal. Notice also it said in the blue, how did it say to give it more emphasis in the blue box?
Playing louder.
Yeah, it says play louder, use your air. Okay? And so that's the primary way. And we're going to talk about that with a little bit of a burst of air. So here's what I want to do first. I want you to, we're going to practice sizzling the accent because that is what creates that air accent is extra air. So, repeat after me. I'm going to sizzle 4 unaccented notes. Repeat after me. Good. Now, if you look up here at example A I've drawn on the board, I'm going to accent the 4th one. And I want you to notice the difference in the sizzle as I do it. Listen. Yeah, go ahead and repeat after me again. Bless you. One of the ways, in addition to giving it more air, a burst of air, you can also think about taking the notes that aren't accented, 1, 2, and 3, and bringing them down a little bit. Okay, because that'll still make that note have emphasis and sort of stick out volume. So, we just did example A. Can I have a volunteer sizzle example B for us with the accent in a different place? Jacob. Excellent, Jacob. It was real obvious and easy to tell that that accent was on beat 3. Everybody do example B. 1 and 2 and everyone together. Good. Can I have a volunteer to do example C for us? Avalon. Good. Good. Everyone do example C. 1, 2, breathe. Did you notice right there that our first note, our first beat 1 note was a little bit naturally accented? Let's make sure that we don't give beat 1 an extra accent just because it's beat 1. Do that one more time. 1 and 2 and breathe. Excellent. Have a volunteer for a letter D. Okay, Lily, do letter D for us. In this case, it's exactly what we don't want for letter C. We want the accent on beat 1. Everybody do letter D. 1, 2, and breathe. Good. What was the word we underlined in your book?
Emphasize.
That is the key. Emphasize that note. Now, I want to put these 4 together. We're going to sizzle A, B, C, and D all together connected as if they were a 4-measure continuous etude. Okay? So you got to really read carefully and think about bringing out these accented notes. Ready? Here we go. Nice full breath. And 1, 2, breathe, and. That was awesome. Okay, what made that work is that you are exaggerating that effect. Got to be obvious. Good. So now take a look at your book at 217, Lean on It, which is the next song after the blue box. And we got some accents that appear here in the song. So we want to do the same with these. Let's repeat after me, 1 measure at a time.
1 measure.
We're going to play 1 measure at a time. Yeah. All right, so I'll play a measure, then you repeat the first measure. Is there an accent in measure 1? No. Just mezzo forte. Instruments are up. You ready? And I'll start. Yeah, make sure we're playing the correct note there in measure 1. Now, measure 2, we have an accent on beat what, everybody?
3.
Beat 3 on the half note on beat 3. Okay, so I'm going to play this measure with the accent, and you repeat it back, please. Now let's practice. Sometimes the easiest way to learn something is to practice it without doing it, and then to practice it with doing it and make a clear difference. Okay, so I'm going to play this measure twice. The first time I'm going to play it unaccented, the second time accented. So listen first. Did you hear the difference?
Yes.
You do that as a group. 1 and 2 and twice. And. I'd like your 3 individuals that can do that for us volunteer. Okay? Why don't you go, Kyson? Why don't you start? Yeah, do it twice. So do one without the accent and one with the accent. And one more time with the accent. Yeah, so keep working to emphasize, because that still kind of sounded similar. Let's have another volunteer. Davis, why don't you do it? Davis, how would we do this on a bell kit? You're right. Height is the key. Do it for us, Davis. Good. Did you? Yeah. So make sure you emphasize that. Let's have a couple more volunteers. Jake, why don't you do it for us? Good. That was a good. Can you guys hear the difference when Jake played it? That's what we want to really exaggerate that difference. Christian, why don't you try it? Good. Can you do it one more time, Christian, and even more of a difference? That's all right. There we go. It's that burst of air. Let's do this as a group again. Okay? Let's do it twice. One time without the accent, one time with. Ready? And lots of air fill up. 1 and 2. First time unaccented. Good. Let's play these first 2 measures now. First 2 measures together. Ready?